In this last video, we're going to talk about how to invite patients to complete your questionnaire online. So this is the marketing campaign, as we call it. If you remember from previous design, the only way to invite a patient to complete the questionnaire was through this button here, send questionnaire. So you will enter the email address, click send, and it will send an email with an invite to complete the questionnaire with your link. We have worked a lot to improve this feature, and now we offer 3 different ways to invite your patient to complete your questionnaire online. So we have the Facebook option, the email option, and the SMS option. So if we start with email, pretty similar here. You need to enter the email address that you want to send the invitation to, and you can enter multiple email address. You just press the space bar, and then you can add another address. And here you can see the subject of the email, the message. You can change the language if you want to, and then you can also update the text before sending your email, and click send. And I will send this invite. Start the questionnaire will be replaced by your link. I mean, it will be a button that will redirect to your link to the questionnaire. What's new is that we have created multiple invitation email. From the last version, we only had 1 invite. Now we have more than 10 different marketing campaigns that you can use and reuse to recruit your patient online to complete your questionnaire. So for example, we have the season related campaign. You can always edit the text and click send. It will send to this email address. Soon, when we receive all the translation for this marketing campaign, we will include it here in different languages. At the moment, for the marketing campaign, we only have English implemented. We have the same thing with SMS notification, SMS campaign. So you just enter a phone number, press the space bar. You can add another phone number here. You can change the area code and add as many numbers as you want to. You can choose your template, edit the text, see the text. This is the link to your questionnaire. So this is the URL for the demo account, but it will be just skinxs.com/diag/your name. You can change the language and click send, and you can also edit here. So you will see that when I add a lot of characters, I'm going to change, and I've got a maximum of 2 SMS I can send for each campaign. Here there's a trick. You cannot send as many SMS as you want to, because we Skinxs are paying for it. So we set a monthly limit of 125 SMS invite per account. So when you arrive close to your limit, you get notified, you get a warning, and we will provide a way to increase this limitation if you want to. Okay, so 125 invites per month for SMS marketing campaign. And finally, the last option is the Facebook option. So here I click Facebook, I can see all the different marketing campaign. And what happens is, I can edit the text, of course. What happens is when I click share with Facebook, a Facebook pop-up will launch. Here, because I'm already connected with my account on Facebook on this computer, automatically it launches this share on Facebook pop-up. If I was not connected, I will have a login pop-up first where I enter my credential, and then the only thing I have to do is right click paste. I paste the campaign here. This is the link to the questionnaire, and I can either post on my feed, or I can send. For example, I can send as a private message as well. And here I choose if it's a story or post on a feed. and who can see it, public or friend, only specific friend. So this is a new way to recruit you followers, your Facebook followers, to complete your questionnaire online. You just have to choose a campaign. Here you can review all the campaign that we've created for you. Click share with Facebook, pop-up open, you right click and you paste the text. You paste the text. Finally, here, this is your link to the questionnaire. So when we move out from the new design URL, you're just going to be skinxs.com/jack/Dr. Elena, for example. A small note here, if you go menu, message template, this is where you'll see all the marketing campaign that we have created for you. So there is about 10, and you can see for each campaign the email, Facebook and SMS version of it, and you can edit the campaign as well. You just have to change the text, click update template, and you will save. So here I save this new template, and anytime I can reset also to default. I can choose the language and change my language for my language as well. Here we have custom campaign. So the doctor can create his own marketing campaign and record, save it here on his Skinxs account. So for example, I choose Facebook campaign, call it test. I can put some text here. I save my template, so this is my custom campaign. If I go to invite patient, Facebook, I should see it here, the test campaign that I have created, my custom campaign, and I can reuse it as much as I want as well. So here, custom campaign, the doctor can create his own marketing campaign. Finally, here we have a tab, notification. These are the notifications that we send, Universkin, the Skinxs platform, to the patient. Only 4 types of email we are sending at the moment. One is questionnaire complete, one is when the patient doesn't complete the questionnaire, we send a reminder. One is when the doctor creates the treatment, we send an email, and one is for when the treatment becomes completed. A way to renew, for example, contact your doctor at this detail, email address and phone number. If we have the agreement from the patient to send SMS notification, we also send these SMS. What's good is that the doctor, he can review all these messages and he can modify them. You can modify the default notification emails and SMS. Okay. Finally, last thing I want to talk about is this button that you see on the bottom right of the screen is the chat. So anytime, okay, let me just anytime you can start a chat with
incoming chat.
One of our Universkin staff. He will help you, or he will help the doctor to, if he has any problem with the Skinxs platform. Okay, I have a problem with Skinxs, and we will receive a notification. There is a doctor that wants to talk with you, and then you can share a screenshot. You can take help him to get going. So for example, we have a lot of doctors, they have difficulty signing in. Here we still see this pop-up on the login page, so we can talk and we can discuss how to get going.